Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor woodcutter named Ali Baba. He worked hard every day, but he barely made enough money to buy food for himself and his family. One day, while cutting wood in the forest, Ali Baba saw a group of 40 thieves. He quickly hid behind a tree and watched them. The thieves stopped in front of a huge rock. Their leader stood up and said, "Open sesame." The rock moved, revealing a hidden cave. The thieves went inside with their bags of gold and jewels. Ali Baba was amazed and waited until they left. When they were gone, he stepped up to the rock and said, "Open sesame." The rock moved again, and Ali Baba entered the cave. Inside, he saw piles of gold, silver, and precious jewels. He quickly filled his bags with as much treasure as he could carry and returned home. Ali Baba shared the treasure with his wife, and they became rich. However, he made her promise to keep it a secret. His wife was so excited that she borrowed a scale from her sister-in-law to measure the gold. She secretly placed a little wax at the bottom of the scale to see what they were measuring. When the sister-in-law returned the scale, she found a gold coin stuck to the wax. She told her husband, Ali Baba's greedy brother, Qasim. He went to Ali Baba's house and demanded to know where the gold came from. Ali Baba told him about the secret cave. Qasim immediately went to the cave with several donkeys to carry the treasure. Qasim stood before the rock and said, "Open sesame." The rock moved, and he entered the cave. Greedy Qasim began filling his bags with treasure. However, in his excitement, he forgot the magic words to open the cave again. He was trapped inside. The thieves found Qasim and killed him. When Qasim did not return, Ali Baba went to the cave and found his brother's body. He was sad but knew he had to keep the secret. He took his brother's body home and buried it quietly. Ali Baba knew the thieves would be angry if they found out someone knew their secret. One day, the leader of the thieves found out that someone had been stealing from their cave. They decided to find the culprit and kill him. The leader disguised himself as an oil merchant and visited Ali Baba's house. He brought 40 oil jars with him, but inside each jar, there was a thief hiding. Ali Baba's clever maid, Morgiana, discovered the plan. She told Ali Baba and then poured boiling oil into each jar, killing the thieves. The leader escaped but vowed to take revenge. The leader of the thieves returned, disguised as a merchant again. He was invited to Ali Baba's house for dinner. During the dinner, Morgiana recognized him. She performed a dance with a dagger and suddenly stabbed the thief, killing him. Ali Baba was shocked but relieved when Morgiana explained who the man was. Just as they thought the danger was over, the leader of the thieves made one last attempt to harm Ali Baba. Morgiana, always vigilant, thwarted his plans and saved Ali Baba once more. Ali Baba was grateful to Morgiana for saving his life. He rewarded her with freedom and married her to his son. Ali Baba and his family lived happily ever after, using the treasure wisely and helping the poor in their village. Moral values: honesty and hard work. Ali Baba's hard work and honesty were rewarded. Greed leads to trouble. Qasim's greed led to his downfall. Loyalty and cleverness. Morgiana's loyalty and cleverness saved Ali Baba and his family. Sharing and helping others. Ali Baba used his wealth to help those in need, showing kindness and generosity.